Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to add the profile picture online. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the top right you can see a gear like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, the very first thing that you're gonna see is a button like this called as profile. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, as you guys can see, you can simply add your profile picture by clicking on this camera icon associated with this profile icon. Else what you can do is simply focus on the bottom that says set profile icon and cover. Click on either. Once you do that, this thing will open up. From right here, do note that you can simply add the profile icon and the profile cover as well. Well, let's simply say I want to add a photo to my profile picture, so I'm gonna select this option right here. Do note you can select whatever you wish. Well, let's say this photo is okay with me. Do note that you can rotate it as well. As you guys can see, I am doing it. Once everything is okay, simply hit on next, that is associated in the bottom right. And that is it, guys. Finally, do note that you can add text, draw, pixelate and blur, and do many other things. But right now I'm simply gonna click on done, that is at the bottom right. And that is it, guys. That's how we add a profile picture in line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.